Doubledollar.ltd review, legit 1% daily return MLM or scam? Welcome to my Doubledollar.ltd review. I have been an accountant for 32 years, heard some buzz about this crypto MLM company, and I decided to investigate and teach you more in this Doubledollar. Probability is someone contacted you about the business opportunity and now you come here to make sure it's on the level. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Great news is I am going to guide through the Doubledollar.ltd company, products and compensation plan so you can make an intelligent decision. Listen this to the end. Let's get started. Doubledollar Ltd says, Doubledollar Ltd is a group of investors, traders, software engineers and brokers who love to grow the money for others and for themselves. We have more than 6 years of experience in the mentioned fields. Doubledollar Ltd started to accept others' fund/investment from 2020 to expand the vision and to maximize IT. Doubledollar Ltd is a financial and credit organization that provides financial services. The company works with money, securities and precious metals, exchanges, crypto and fiat, and invests in promising projects. To begin at the beginning, this company didn't exist in 2020, so not really sure what they are referring to about there. A private registration was filed for the domain Doubledollar.ltd on October 1, 2021. Their UK incorporation certificate shows an incorporation on September 21, 2021. Location-wise, their address 85 Great Portland Street, London, England, W1W7T. It belongs to the London office, which offers virtual offices. Therefore the address isn't a real physical address for this company. Plus, who are the admins or owners of Doubledollar.ltd? No information on that one either. Doubledollar.ltd reviews the products. With Doubledollar Ltd, no retail products nor services, however their affiliate membership or recruit other affiliates. As an affiliate you can also invest into the company. Doubledollar.ltd compensation plan. Doubledollar Ltd promotes affiliates to invest into the company on a claim they receive guaranteed return. Investing $10 to $50,000 and receiving 0.3% to 1% day-to-day for up to 15% per month return on investment. If you want to draw out your cash, there is a 20% exit fee. Referral program. You can receive money across 10 levels with a uni-level compensation plan. You receive a percentage of your downline's invested funds. Cost to join Doubledollar Ltd review. Doubledollar Ltd affiliate membership is without cost to join. However, if you want a piece of this investment opportunity you need to pay an Alexander Hamilton $10. Differently than most other Doubledollar Ltd reviews existing, I am going to get on the level with you in the final verdict. Final verdict. Does the Doubledollar.ltd scam true? As Sergeant Joe Friday from Dragnet said, just the facts. First, they purport to have been commercial business since 2020 and even said they have been a going concern for 6 years. Which is a flat out. The domain was registered on October of 2021 and the UK incorporation was done in September of 2021. No physical address, it only has a virtual one. At the apex of this, the company owners don't disclose who they are. Red flag here. Any company promising an actual guaranteed return and the in-company ownership is anonymous should be a sign it's probably not on the up and up. Daily returns legally? If so, they have no need for an affiliate program and a $10 buy-in. Frankly, what I see new investments paying off old members, which makes this company a Ponzi. Avoid this one. My number one recommendation. If you came to this blog to look at the Doubledollar Ltd review, you may want to know how to construct a profitable business on the web, correct? To be truthful, we are offering a business course that helps you build any business on the web, including network marketing. Why don't you learn exactly how to recruit your perfect customer to your landing page, scoop up their emails and convert them to buying customers? No phone call needed. Once you learn this skill set and the mindset, the moon is the limit when it comes to constructing your business. I have succeeded and so can you. I generate income in different niches as well. Plus, you have the opportunity to get a one-on-one advisor to make sure everything is being done on the up and up. Did you enjoy my Doubledollar.ltd review? If you have questions, ask in the comments field below. By the way, just follow me on social media in the description below. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon.